We're diving into 5 fire business ideas for all my ambitious women out there who are trying to build their empires without breaking the bank. So, if you've been dreaming about being your own boss and getting out of the 9 to 5 grind, this video's for you. Listen, the game is changing. More women are out here taking control of their lives, chasing financial freedom, and building businesses that fit their passion. But let's be real, it ain't always easy for us. The startup world is still a boys' club in a lot of ways, and we gotta deal with all kinds of barriers. For one, getting that funding is tough. Most investors are still men, and let's just say they're not always quick to throw money at female-led businesses. Then you've got society trying to box us in, right? Telling us to play it safe or stick to more traditional jobs. Not to mention, self-doubt creeps in. A lot of us feel like we're not good enough or we don't have the skills to pull it off. And if you're juggling family life, you already know how hard it is to find time and energy to go all in on your dreams. But here's the thing, that's not stopping us. Women are out here making moves, launching businesses, and getting to the bag, and in this video, we're gonna talk about 5 business ideas that could be your ticket to building that empire and living life on your terms. 1. Online education platforms. Teach what you know, make that money. If you're good at something, teach it. There's a whole wave of people learning stuff online, and if you can create a space for other women to learn skills like coding, entrepreneurship, or even self-care, that's a goldmine. We're talking about online courses, coaching, and more. And the best part? You can start with little to no money. 2. Sustainable fashion brands. Drip responsibly. People are starting to care about where their clothes come from and how they're made. Sustainable fashion is on the rise. If you're into fashion and want to make a difference, this could be your lane. Eco-friendly materials, ethical production, and dope designs? That's a recipe for success. Start small, get creative, and cater to this growing market. 3. Wellness and self-care services. Secure the mind, body, and bag. Women are putting their mental and physical health first more than ever, and the demand for wellness services is booming. Whether you want to start a spa, yoga studio, or even an online wellness coaching biz, this is a hot space. And the beauty of it? You can start this from home or online with just a laptop and a little know-how. 4. E-commerce stores for women. Sell what we need. Online shopping is here to stay, and women are always looking for products that cater to us, whether it's beauty, fashion, or mom and baby stuff. Setting up an e-commerce store is easier than ever, and the potential to grow is crazy. You could niche down and focus on something you're passionate about and watch your store blow up. 5. Social media management services. Help brands get seen. Every business is trying to pop off on social media, but not everyone knows how to do it right. If you're good at creating content, managing platforms, or growing followers, there's a bag waiting for you. You could be the go-to person for businesses that need help running their socials, creating a strategy, and getting more engagement. Oh, I almost forgot one, starting an online event planning service. With more and more women building businesses and getting to the bag, women are going on conference tours. It sounds like you would want to niche down and build your event planning around conferences and tours only. Just an afterthought, I had. Let me tell y'all about somebody who did this and blew up, Sophia Amoruso, the founder of Nasty Gal. She literally started from nothing, selling vintage clothes on eBay, and turned it into a multi-million-dollar brand. She didn't let fear stop her, she went for it. That's the kind of energy you need to bring to the table. It's possible, but you gotta be willing to take risks and bet on yourself. Alright y'all, that's a wrap. These are just 5 business ideas, but trust me, there are so many more ways for you to secure that bag and build your empire. Whether it's online courses, fashion, or social media, the opportunities are out there. Now, it's up to you to make a move. What do you think? Drop a comment below and let me know which one of these ideas you're feeling, or if you've got another one on your radar. And if you're lost on where to start, hit up our team for a free consultation at 2openbiz.com. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and turn on your notifications